Good morning, everyone. It is a Monday morning, start of a new week. And yesterday, all the tatting on 40 acres got done, so I'll have to unhook this tadder here in a little bit. And then the hay rake is hooked up to my Massey Ferguson, so I'll be raking hay today. But the first project is heading to town to the auto shop and getting the fuel filter changed on my GMC 3500 HD. Shouldn't take too long, but it is kind of a pain in the butt to take care of. And then I've got to take the fuel tank out because I have to have the livestock trailer tonight. So it's one thing after another. So start of a new video, we'll see what happens. Well, here I am this morning at Truex Car Care, and by the way, they are not a paid sponsor. And the only reason why I come here is because I need repair. They are my neighbors, but the other reason why I come here, if you're feeling good and you want your self-esteem lowered, this is the place to come. So on a Monday morning, hot and humid, Mr. Truex, do you have any words of wisdom?
Just do the best you can and bring your car to Truex Car Care. We care for our customers.
Until they leave the parking lot. Well, the hay was all raked this morning, finished up early afternoon, and I've started rolling up to 40 acres of hay. There was one glitch in the morning. I lost my cell phone, but we found it in the first pass of a windrow, and it is still okay. Well, it's been a heck of a day, folks. Got 40 acres of hay raked, and during that process I lost my phone, and very, very lucky we found it on the first pass when I was started baling. That's I don't know exactly what time I started baling, but I had a personal record for me on my own hay, 135 big round bales. And once I got home, I had a issue here with a cow and calf, and so I had to go get the cow and bring home. I don't know whether I need to explain that, where I messed up or not, but anyway, it's been a 12-hour day, and I'm very glad to have the first round of that 40 acres up. I just wish I had it moved off the field and the owner's share in the barn. Well, as you can see, today's project is yarding up this hay so I can start moving it home. I'll put 45 bales in a barn, and probably won't get this moved today. I'm just getting yarded up where I can get to it with the hay trailer. I want to get the 45 bales in the barn because I think they're calling for storms tonight. My son's out here with the Massey Ferguson tractor. We're both yarding up hay. Running 2 tractors, it doesn't take long to get stuff gathered up. The slow part is putting the 45 bales in the barn. Well, as you can see, I'm putting hay in the barn. Gets to be kind of hard to see, and you're going from the bright sun to the darkness of the barn. And I am getting 11 bales to the row. As you can see, the hay is being yarded up, and I've got 4 more bales to put in the barn to make the 45. Well, good afternoon, and I am in the process of starting to move hay home from the 40 acres that I baled. And I was going to do it earlier this morning. I was even going to do it last night, but up here 2 miles from the house, they had gotten apparently a pop-up shower, and it's even now it's a little bit wet, so I don't know. We'll see if I can haul this hay home or not. I'd like to get 5 trips in today and then 5 trips in tomorrow if possible. But definitely I would like to get it all done before the weekend is over. And this is an easy haul trailer. You just push the bales on and they'll dump in about 10 seconds. So that makes it pretty handy. And I haul 8 bales at a time, and these are 4 by 5 bales. So again, I've done this before and showed you how it works, but it's pretty simple. Pull this pin, pull your arm around, and that releases a catch right here. Those roll off pretty darn quick. And I'm off for the next load. Well, this is the evening check of the cows and calves. We call them up to the feed bunks. And it has been very, very hot. So this is going to be a wrap of this week's video. It's a Thursday evening. Moved 48 big ground bales home, and probably another 40 to go tomorrow. So I don't know whether you've enjoyed this one or not, but please hit that thumbs up button, that like button, and subscribe if you haven't, and share with your friends. Have a great weekend, everyone, and thanks for watching.